Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of 1 plus cosine x with the power of 2 dx. Okay, to solve this integral you need to first expand this expression. So from algebra we know that a plus b with the power of 2 is equal to a2 plus 2ab plus b2. Okay, so in this particular case a is equal to 1 and b is equal to cosine x. So if you apply this formula here, this integral will be equal to the integral of a with the power of 2, that is 1, plus 2ab, that is 2 times 1 times cosine x, which is 2 cosine x, plus b2, which is cosine 2x, okay, dx. Okay, and this integral will be equal to integral of dx, 1 times dx, plus 2 integral of cosine x dx, plus the integral of cosine square x dx. Okay, so integral of dx is x, integral of cosine x is sine x, that is 2 sine x, plus the integral of cosine square x dx. Okay, so to solve this integral you need to use this formula from trigonometry, that is cosine square x is equal to 1 divided by 2 times 1 plus cosine 2x. Okay, therefore integral of cosine square x will be equal to the integral of 1 divided by 2 times 1 plus cosine 2x dx, which will be equal to integral of 1 divided by 2 dx plus integral of 1 divided by 2 cosine 2x dx. Okay, and integral of 1 divided by 2 dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times x plus the second term, that is the integral of 1 divided by 2 cosine 2x dx. Okay, and this integral you can you know that the integral of cosine ax dx will be equal to 1 divided by a sine ax, assuming a is not equal to 0. So in this particular case a is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore the integral of cosine 2x will be equal to 1 divided by 2 sine 2x. Therefore this one will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times x plus, that is constant, 1 divided by 2 times the integral of cosine 2x is 1 divided by a is 2 times sine 2x plus c. Okay, so this is actually the integral of cosine 2x, but remember the original integral which was given here was equal to this plus this plus this, and now you just calculated the integral of the third term. So therefore the original integral here, the integral of 1 plus cosine x with the power of 2 dx will be equal to the first term, that is x, plus second term, that is 2 sine x, plus third term, which is this one, and we just calculated this integral as this, that is 1 divided by 2 times x plus 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 2 is 1 divided by 4 sine 2x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. You can as well you can rewrite it as, if you want, x plus 1 divided by 2 times x is 3 divided by 2 times x plus 2 sine x plus 1 divided by 4 sine 2x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that's the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.